Hello, good afternoon sir. Captain Manolo Umali. Tandaan mo pa ako. So, happy birthday! So, miss ka na namin. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Sir, happy birthday.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Stay happy and safe always.
Kap, good morning po. Happy birthday. Stay healthy po. Thank
Miss
you
ka
po.
na namin.
Miss ka na namin. Pero thank you po sa lahat. You're the best.
Hello sir, good morning. Wish you good health and miss you namin po kayo. Everyone miss you. You're the best.
Hi Cap, good morning. In behalf of ASTC family and to my family also, I'd like to greet you happy birthday. So salamat po sa mga contributions nyo na binigay nyo dito sa MAAP for the past couple of years. And at the same time, wish you good health and stay a happy life.
Captain T, hello po. Happy birthday. I hope you'll have more birthdays to come. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Cap. Long live po. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello sir, happy birthday! Wishing you all the best with your family. Enjoy your retirement. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, sir. Balik ka na dito, sir. Namimiss ka na namin. Lalo na pag may nakikita kaming chicharon. Happy birthday!
Sir, happy birthday. Wish you more and more birthdays to come. Long life, healthy, and God bless.
Hi, Cap. Happy birthday. Namimiss ko na yung fruitcake mo tuwing Christmas, Cap. At sana magkita ulit tayo, Cap. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hello po, Captain Tunyakaw. Happy birthday po. I hope you'll enjoy your day. And we miss you so much here in ASTC department. Lalo na po yung special niyo pong fruitcake. I hope to see you again. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless you always. Kaya nandito po kay Mrs. Tunyakaw. Ingat po, ma'am, sir.
Hi Cap! Kumusta na po? Happy birthday! Wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with love and happiness. Ingat po palagi!
Happy birthday, Captain T! Good health and more blessing to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Cap. You belong to MAAP ASTC family, where the Trojan mighty men, the red roses, women, sir, even we've been apart for many years. I think 2 years already na, sir. Retired na po tayo. Hope you, sir, well as your family. See you soon, sir. Thanks. Bye.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday sa buhay mo sir darating at magandang pangkalusugan. Happy birthday po sir.
Hello sir! Kamusta na kayo? Hope na mabuti ang lagay nyo. Happy birthday!
Hello po sir, kamusta na po kayo? Happy birthday po sa inyo. Namimiss ko na po sir yung mga patype nyo pong memo. Wala pa rin po talagang tatalo sa inyo sir. Kayo pa rin po ang the best boss sa lahat. Happy birthday po ulit sir. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Salamat po sa mga natulong niyo po sa akin, sa amin po dito. Salamat din po kay Mrs. at sa buong pamilya po ninyo. Maraming salamat po sir. Happy birthday po ulit. Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Captain T. God bless.